Hey, Ryan from Combat Off-Road. This is going to be our straddle storage for our 2018 to present day JLJT. So the straddle storage for that, part number is 99-1022. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. This is basically going to sit in your center console on either side, give you a little more storage for you and your passengers. I really find these things super useful. As we all know, we're in the Jeeps. We run out of storage pretty quick, right? Everybody's got cell phones and keys and stuff now, so it's a great idea. So basically, that's just going to sit over top of that. You put it into place. You're going to pull those tabs. You're going to squeeze those down, and that's going to keep it in place. So, neat little item. Something everyone should have. So that's going to be part number 99-1022, and that's going to fit your JL and JT 2018 to present day 2026 for sure, 100%.